Hi guys and welcome back to our YouTube channel. If you're a mom toddler and you want to keep these guys busy and just try to help them learn a little bit of some education stuff, I have this video is for you because I am going to show you how you can make a color book for your toddler so that you can keep them busy. It can be a color book, it could be books with numbers, it could be just any educational um, material that you want to make for your baby. Because I was in PEP the other day, I was in Pick and Pay, not Pick and Pay, but what is this? PNA. And the books, they are now ranging above $39 million. So if you have a printer, it's even like 0 cent because we're going to do it in an app on your phone. You don't even need your laptop. So if you want to see that, guys, let's start. Welcome again to my phone. So we are going to look for the app called Canva, and I know you guys know about Canva. So Canva is an app that you need to download either on Play Store or I don't know where you guys get it on iOS. But yeah, once we are on Canva, we gonna, I don't know, it's taking a little bit longer to open, but just be patient. I am on a free version of CapCut, so you don't even, not even CapCut, what is this? Canva. So you don't need to pay for anything. So don't sleep on Canva if you're a mom, if you're not a mom, anybody. Canva is everything that you need to start your business from home. Okay, so we are going to go in the search bar and we are going to put in coloring books. And you see that there's coloring books already because I have done this before. I've done it for my baby. So I was just trying to keep him busy. So this is all you get. Not all, this is what you get. It's a lot. So you see like the first one on your right where there is that crown and I tap on it, it shows pro. It basically means that one, it's only people that are on the paid version is the ones that can download it. Okay, you can actually open, but you can download it. You can make much changes to it. So you get all the colored books. You get the black and white. You can actually do anything, and this is for your babies from 2 years and up. So if you are considering homeschooling, you can do this. This is just one cover that I got. This is just a cover, and you can decide now to start making your own book from here. So all you do on your phone, I'm using if you need a laptop version, I can do that, but now I'm using my phone. So you just swipe right. Then you have a new clean page. Now if you have your own pictures that you want to add, if you have your own things that you want to add, then you can go ahead and start putting those on that specific page or on those pages that you need to add. Okay, but you can add as many pages as you need. It's really up to you. But for the purpose of this video and to make life easier for all of us, for you who is watching and myself, for this tutorial to be as quick, I'm going to get a book that's already made that has everything. And the one that I'm opening now, it's the ABCs, and it has like 26 pages. So you just get that one, download it, and then you just print it, and then you're good to go. Okay, so this is how this alphabet coloring book looks. um, it has a picture and the name. So it's a fruit name and the fruit and the fruit name. So you see, it's so fun and the kids can be entertained. Let's say maybe you're going to the bank, you are at church, you are somewhere, and you just want your son to be entertained. You can just easily do that. Carry it in your bag with. Okay. So for the downloading part, you just go in the top right corner. That's where you pick that's where you press. Then you have this page here. So you go for download all. But if you just want to download one page of these, you can also select and choose which specific pages that you want to print. But if you want everything, then you just download. So this doesn't even take you 5 minutes, guys. I literally made this video in what like this whole illustration, this is just like maybe 5 minutes if it's more, like, but it's 3 minutes. Yeah, it's 3 minutes. So there it is. You just change the name if you need to, and then you go ahead now and print. You see, So we are going to go to my what do you call this? Is it my documents? Yeah, so my files, yeah, on my phone, and it's the first thing that is appearing. So I'm gonna open it with my Microsoft thing app, and then there it is. There's your PDF book. So from here, you just send it to your printer, you print, and you are done. So, guys, is this not fair? Like, is it not fair? Like, life is so easy these days. Everything is made for us. So, this will help your kids to learn alphabets. This will help them, I don't know. I'm not an teacher, but that thing where kids are concentrating and then they can move around, because imagine coloring an apple, it's a roundmost thing, so it will help them to know where the binary and all that is. So my son already can count, can do most of this the singing and the ABC, but he's still just a baby. So I just also like to emphasize with this thing, then just to build his, is it motor skills or whatever. Guys, you teachers, please let me know. Teachers and the doctors, please let me know in the comment section. Okay. So yeah, guys, this is what I having up to. So I just thought, let me share with you guys. Someone can start a business with this. I mean, a lot of mothers in America and some European countries are already making money from this. So they'll just edit from here and put it on. What is the place? Not Amazon, but some put on Amazon, but there's some that put on. Man, I forgot the name, but I'll, I'll put it on the screen. They are selling it at $2, $5. So it's not, you can get something while you're sleeping. So that's the power of passive income and digital products. There is already a videos that I have on digital products. So I'm just showing you here how I made my son's one, and this is what I printed, and we have been painting with him, and I have really enjoyed every single minute of it. So let me know what you think, guys, in the comment section. If you're a new mom or a mother, let me know in the comment section what you think. So, guys, mothers don't sleep on money. Anything you want is in Canva. So, oops, sorry. Yeah, so mothers don't sleep on money. Everything you want is in Canva. You can start making money on Canva in any other way. Okay. I'll see you guys in my next one. If you love this, please don't forget to like, share, subscribe, and most importantly, subscribe, guys. We are trying to reach 1,000 subscribers as soon as we can. Thank you guys for being here. See you in my next one.